Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 15 assets that are making people rich. If you're looking to grow your wealth, you won't want to miss this. We'll be covering everything from real estate to crypto, exploring the potential risks and rewards of each asset class. So, grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the secrets to financial freedom together. First up, we have real estate, a tried and true wealth-building tool. People will always need a place to live, right? Investing in rental properties can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. Real estate tends to increase in value over time. You can leverage your investment by taking out a mortgage, but remember, real estate isn't without its risks. Next, let's talk about stocks. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in a company. And if that company does well, guess what? Your investment grows. Over the long term, the stock market has historically trended upwards, making it a powerful engine for wealth creation. By investing in stocks, you're participating in the growth of the overall economy. But here's the thing, the stock market can be volatile, meaning prices can go up and down in the short term. That's why it's crucial to have a long-term investment strategy and not panic sell when the market takes a dip. Remember, diversification is key. Spread your investments across different companies, industries, and even countries to minimize risk. If you're looking for a stable investment, bonds might be your thing. Think of bonds as loans to governments or corporations. They pay you a fixed interest rate over time. Bonds are less risky than stocks, ideal for conservative investors. They provide steady income and balance stock volatility. Lower risk means lower potential returns. Bonds offer a solid foundation for your portfolio. Chapter 4. Cryptocurrency, the Wild West of investing. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the Bitcoin in the blockchain. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, creating fortunes for early adopters. But here's the deal. Cryptocurrency is like the Wild West of investing. It's highly volatile, meaning prices can swing dramatically in short periods. But hey, with high risk can come high rewards, right? Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize finance and disrupt traditional systems. But it's still in its early stages, and it's crucial to understand the technology, the risks, and the regulatory landscape before investing a single dollar. Do your research, start small, and only invest in projects you truly believe in. Chapter 5. Mutual Funds Investing Made Easy. Now, let's talk about mutual funds. These are a great option for investors who want to diversify without picking individual stocks. Think of a mutual fund like a basket of different investments. You're pooling your money with others to buy a diversified portfolio managed by a professional. It's great for beginners due to instant diversification and professional management. But be aware of higher fees compared to other options. Chapter 6. ETFs, the efficient alternative. If you like the idea of mutual funds but want a more cost-effective option, then you need to check out ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. ETFs are similar to mutual funds in that they offer instant diversification and track a specific index, sector, or asset class. But here's the key difference. ETFs trade on stock exchanges just like individual stocks, which means they tend to have lower fees than traditional mutual funds. Whether you're looking to track the S&P 500, invest in emerging markets, or gain exposure to a specific industry, there's likely an ETF out there for you. Chapter 7. Precious metals, your inflation hedge. For centuries, gold has been considered a safe haven asset, a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. When the value of paper money declines, the price of gold tends to rise. But gold isn't the only precious metal out there. Silver, platinum, and palladium also have their own unique investment characteristics. Investing in precious metals can be a good way to diversify your portfolio and potentially protect your wealth during times of economic turmoil. But remember, precious metals don't generate income like stocks or bonds. Their value is primarily driven by supply and demand. If you're looking for a long-term investment that can potentially hold its value during times of uncertainty, precious metals might be worth considering. Chapter 8. Collectibles. Turning your passion into profit. Did you know that your passion for rare items could actually make you rich? We're talking about collectibles, from vintage cars and comic books to rare stamps and antique furniture. The key to making money with collectibles is to find items that are in high demand but limited supply. Think about it. A rare baseball card from your childhood or a first edition of your favorite book could be worth a fortune to the right collector. But here's the thing. The market for collectibles can be unpredictable and illiquid, meaning it might be difficult to find a buyer when you're ready to sell. Plus, you need to be an expert in your niche to avoid getting scammed or overpaying for an item. Chapter 9. Intellectual Property. The Power of Your Ideas. Have you ever had $1 million idea? Well, with intellectual property, you can actually protect and monetize your creativity. We're talking about patents, trademarks, and copyrights. These legal protections give you exclusive rights to your inventions, designs, and creative works. You can then license your intellectual property to other companies, or sell it outright for a profit. But here's the catch: obtaining and enforcing intellectual property rights can be a complex and expensive process. You'll likely need to consult with an attorney specializing in intellectual property law. Chapter 10. Businesses, building your own empire. Now let's talk about the ultimate wealth-building vehicle: starting your own business. When you build a successful business, you're creating something from the ground up, something that can generate income, create jobs, and leave a lasting legacy. Plus, you're your own boss, which means you have the freedom and flexibility to make your own decisions. But here's the thing: starting a business takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. You need to be passionate about your idea, willing to take risks, and able to adapt to changing market conditions. Chapter 11. Peer-to-peer lending. Cut out the middleman. If you're looking for a way to earn higher returns on your savings without investing in the stock market, then you need to check out peer-to-peer lending. This innovative investment allows you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, cutting out the traditional financial institutions. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors, allowing you to choose which loans you want to fund based on the borrower's creditworthiness and the interest rate offered. But remember, peer-to-peer lending is not without its risks. Borrowers may default on their loans, so it's crucial to diversify your investments across multiple borrowers to mitigate risk. Chapter 12. Royalties, earning money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to passive income generated while you were sleeping. That's the beauty of royalties. If you're a creative person, you can earn royalties from your books, music, photographs, or even inventions. Every time someone buys your book, streams your song, or uses your invention, you earn a small percentage of that sale. The more popular your work becomes, the more royalties you earn. Building a royalty stream takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. You need to create something truly valuable that people are willing to pay for repeatedly. Chapter 13. High-yield savings accounts. Make your money work harder. Let's talk about the simplest way to grow your wealth: high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster. While high-yield savings accounts won't make you rich overnight, they're a great option for parking your emergency fund, saving for a down payment, or simply earning more interest on your cash. The key is to shop around and compare interest rates from different banks and credit unions. Chapter 14. REITs. Investing in real estate without the hassle. If you like the idea of investing in real estate but don't want the hassle of being a landlord, then you need to check out REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties such as shopping malls, office buildings, and apartments, without having to buy physical property yourself. Chapter 15. Commodities. Diversifying with tangible assets. Last but not least, let's talk about commodities. These are raw materials or primary agricultural products that can be bought and sold, such as oil, gold, natural gas, corn, and coffee. Investing in commodities can be a good way to diversify your portfolio and potentially hedge against inflation. But here's the thing: commodity prices can be volatile, influenced by factors such as weather patterns, geopolitical events, and global supply and demand. Outro. Start building your wealth today. And there you have it, 15 assets that are making people rich. Which one will you invest in next? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wealth building tips. Now go out there and start building your financial future.